the heat and the light's been absolutely atrocious trying to do any work on the van. Even now the panels are warm. Okay, that's it, sanded down as much as I can do. And what I'm going to put on now is zinc isopon rust inhibitor primer onto here. And then he'll get a coat of black paint and things like that. So yeah, it's a long old process. Okay, it's coming on, and this is his first coat of black paint. I've put the underseal stuff into the box section, so just waiting for this to dry, and then the trim will go on. I'll show you what the trim looks like. I'll put the other side. That's what it looks like. Yeah, pretty good. So if that comes up the same as that one, I'll be happy. Okay, the driver's step is now done, but I just thought I'd show you some of the materials I've used. For the filler it's P38 isopone, and for spraying inside the body panels it's wax oil, rust proofing for cars. Then I've got Hamrite body seal with wax oil in, which is another spray aerosol, and then Hamrite underbody seal with added waxolin. And then for the outer sill I use something called Stone Guard, and I'll just show you that. It's in the garage at the moment. I'll walk across to the garage, I'll show you the canister. I think it was originally called Stone Guard, but this is what it is. It's Stone Chip Shield from Hamrite, and that's what I use on the outer sill. Okay, so this is the finished step on the driver's side. Wait for the paint to go off. Got to spray some more under seal on the inside panel, and I'll do that in a minute. And I'm going to have a go at put some more under seal on the rear arch as well. I'm not happy with some of the stuff I've put on. It's reacted with the paint just here, but I can redo this easy. And yeah, I'm not sure whether you enjoy my videos or not, but thanks for watching, and please subscribe.